We're hosting a Valentine's Day party soon, and I told people to look for the red heart lights. And these are so cute in person. They are a plastic. The lights are integrated fully within the hearts. They're durable but super lightweight, so easy to hang anywhere. I have them hanging on our gate. You can rotate between tons of different pulsing, blinking, chasing light options. They look just as attractive in the daylight as they do at night. The wires are light silver, and each heart has its own hook for a total of 4 hooks, super easy to hang wherever you like. 2 options for charging. You can either use 3 AA batteries in this waterproof pack, or it is rechargeable as well with an included USB-A to extension plug. And then it is so easy to rotate between all the available options, as well as the timer feature, 6 hours on, 18 hours off, and it'll automatically come on the next day at the exact same time, so it couldn't be easier to use. And as for dimensions, each heart is about 6.5 wide by 6.5 tall. Hanging height varies from 22 to 25 inches, and they are about 11 inches apart. So that gives you parameters on the dimensions. The plug from the last heart is about 3 feet away. So I feel like there's a lot of flexibility and uses there, whether you want to hang them on a wall, a window, or outdoors. And I also love that the kit comes with these sticky hooks as well as the plug integrated. So absolutely everything you would need to charge, recharge, hang, wherever you like. Overall, I'm pretty pleased with these. They combine that romantic, easy install, super flexible. They've got the power options, the smart timer, super simple Valentine's decoration, reusable year to year, stress-free. If this was helpful, please give it a like so I know to make more videos like this.